Good evening, everybody. My name is Gautami, and I'm a part of the OLX group. I'm a member of the Global Talent Development, and I look after the Asia affairs. Honestly, I'm super excited with this topic because when I read the LFH and WFH, I said we can just use the terms interchangeably. Whatever we started and whenever we started working from home, learning happened from the moment one. On one side, there was domestic chores, which we had never touched, and we started learning that. That's on a lighter note. But the real pressure came when we started realizing that no work from home is possible till the time we don't learn something new. For a function like learning, the accelerator, the buttons, and everything were on top gear. We did everything that it took for making learning happen. Suddenly, learning became the abracadabra word. Oh, you want to learn? You want to upskill? Learn. You want to do this? Why don't you learn? Uh, in my experience over the last 6 8 months, there has also been a kind of a curve that initially went really up. It spiraled up. We had learners, online learning, webinars, and everything. The same trend as I see now, it's going in for a dip because there's a rule that says, the law of diminishing marginal utility, and I can see that dropping now. In all this, people are losing the mojo. People are getting a little bit stuck with it, and the ennui is saying, "Oh my God, I'm working beyond my working hours." And then you come from this learning from home and saying, can you learn this, can you learn that? Given the fact that technology came to our aids, the ubiquity of learning platforms, the ubiquity of free learning sessions, webinars, podcasts, I mean, a time came when I always used to close my eyes and think, as a learning leader, that I think my learners are getting a little tired. So on a very different note, I would say, just pause and take it easy. Take it easy. Learning from home and working from home can very well coexist. Just make sure that you are creating ample opportunity for learning, but don't mix the two. Wherever I have seen people struggling with completion of courses on one side and an extremely complicated work on the other side of their laptop open, that'll never happen. So take a pause, definitely upskill yourself, learn, but don't confuse. You have the choice now. Now, for once, the anytime, anywhere, and everyone learning has come. So nobody's giving you the doctor's prescription any longer to saying, I say do this and do this and do that. You are free. You can choose a course in photography. You can choose a course in data analytics if you don't know a word of it. I very recently did a course from an online platform, and it was so interesting because as a data and product company, I always felt that I needed to upskill myself. So from understanding how correlations work to how does a heuristics different from a syllogisms, etc., all my learning came up front. Why? Because I chose it on my own. Nobody prescribed it for me. So please choose learning that's not prescriptive anymore and do it your own way. Third and most important, like we are advising for work from home, do what's just right for you. Just chasing the moons and the stars and saying, I have to read that completion rate. I'm getting these remarks and reminders from HR, from L&D. For a minute, just ignore all that, and you can take my word for it. Ignore it for some time. If you're not enjoying the learning experience, you may not be able to really enjoy learning at all. And last but not the least is enjoy the learning. Nothing like enjoying learning. Pick up a language, pick up photography. I mean, half of us learned cooking the hard way in the work from home. I for sure am absolutely shameless to say that I had the YouTube in one hand of mine, and I'm cooking in the lockdown. But that's the way it was. So enjoy that moment. This is a life-changing event for all of us. Learning may never look back again, and this is going to be the new way of learning. So that was my brief ranting on LFH and WFH. You may once again choose to interchange. Any working from home is also a learning that you're doing from home. Thank you. Thank you once again.